Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video and review. So today we'll be unboxing this. Thank you. There's something new inside here, so we'll show you guys it. And we'll see this video, and then we're gonna have a review with it. So we'll show you. Must be on the other side. Here it goes, guys. The big news is this. The Godzilla vs. Kong Funko Pop. Godzilla and Kong Funko Pop. Finally got it. And let's unbox this thing, baby. Must be. Oh, scissors. Yeah, we need scissors for that, definitely. So, thank you. And alright, if you don't, doesn't do that, Nazim.
Yeah. Guys, I give Arm in the box. It's me, Nazim.
Yes.
Have you seen my Funko Pop video?
Yes.
It was Spider-Man.
Yes, they do watch it, Nazim.
Make that happen. To make your dreams come true. Oh, Kong fell out. Oh, Kong fell again.
Here it goes. The Funko Pops, baby.
Whoa.
It looks cool, guys. So, let's do the comparison.
Kong.
Yes, it looks really
Now
cool.
Godzilla.
It's squishy. It's a squishy.
No, it's not.
Whoa, it looks cool. Now Earth Godzilla.
It's small, big, bigger.
Alright, guys.
This is kind of small.
No.
We have more Monster First collection that we had to show you. And we'll show you the Monster First collection video soon. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video for that. And that is all for the Monster First video. And look at Godzilla. He's like even cooler. I mean, look at this. It looks even cooler. I'm gonna make a stop motion of this soon. So I hope you guys enjoy the stop motion soon. So we'll see you until next time. Bye.